Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a continuation of the last one. If you watched it, you would have seen that I just knocked these up real quick because I had some leftover resin. Wasn't expecting the results, just because the resin was almost kind of on the verge of curing. But yeah, so it excited me and I need to try some more. So I'm gonna mix up some resin now, pour it into these and just ink drop straight away. I want to ink drop as soon as the resin is freshly poured. These, it was probably 15 minutes between pouring and dropping. What I might do is drop 5 layers, 4 layers, 3 layers. So then we can all look at the difference between the penetration of the resin by the ink. And these ones probably just do 3 on each. But yeah, I'm excited. Ooh. What I want to do is make a mould of just these, because I think these are my favourite, if I'm honest. These are pretty and they're cute, but these... Anyway, I'm going to mix the resin, stop talking, and I'll show you as I go the ink. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I put the black backing on, like I did with the hearts. I put a black back on my hearts, and that was a request by a lovely subscriber of mine who asked if I could show the process of putting the black on as well. So I'll do the whole shebang from start to finish, and yeah, let's go. Day now, and I am going in with a top coat of this opaque pigment in black by Resin. This is not sponsored, I purchased this, but you know, Resin sponsor me. So I'm just going to mix up my resin, add a dash of this, and then you'll see me pour the top coat. These I've just come up to check them and they are ready to demould. Now I am demoulding a little bit early. You could leave these overnight, but it's just sometimes if you demould a little bit early, it allows you to trim edges and stuff. And you know, I'm a bit of a lazy crafter, so bit of a wiggle. Oh guys, they look so pretty. Now if you remember, I was going to do 5 drops, 4 drops, 3 drops. That all went out the window as soon as I started dropping. You would have noticed that this one had too much resin in it, so I had to dip my stick in to get some out. So I don't know what that's going to look like, and I don't know if that actually messed with the results. We'll have a look at the first one. Ooh, gosh. I'm loving that. So the purple was at the bottom, but it hasn't really touched the chin, which is kind of cool. But that is full, absolutely full of ink. And that blue and pink, I love it. Oh, I absolutely love it. Right, that's number 1. Number 2, not so much ink, and you can see that already. There's gaps. There's some clear resin there and more clear at the chin. I wonder why it's not getting in there. Maybe ink doesn't travel left and right. It just goes straight down. But yeah, more the purple, I'd say, in the hat there. You compare them together. Very cool. And the final one, I think this had the least in it, but we'll see now. No, that still looks like quite a lot. So it looks like they all look pretty similar, don't they? Let me know which one you think. The one in the middle, I went predominantly purple by the looks of it, but yeah, this is what I mean with alcohol ink. There's no, you can't tell what it's going to do. And in a way, I almost prefer this one. I almost prefer this one in a way, because there's so much more clear and, you know, the ink hasn't gone so far. So maybe leaving the resin longer is better for me, aesthetically pleasing for me. But this one reminds me of the 90s, you know, when we were really into like pink and turquoise. Anyway, let's bring out these 2 small ones. Now I went, oh, I like that. I like that one a lot. Look at that big chunk of clear in the eyes. And the chin again. Love. Love, love, love. I'm definitely a blue girl. Definitely a blue girl. And the final one, I went predominantly purple. The chin, guys, the chins on all of them are not getting any. Look at the way the blue has landed on the eye like that. Wow. Wowza. Oh, guys, let me know. I love this one. Love this one. Oh, okay. Calm down, Claire. Why do I get so carried away? It's literally like Christmas every time because you just don't know what you're going to get. I have to say, out of all the coloured ones I did last night, this one's my favourite. The way the blue and the pink mix in the hat with the purple at the bottom. Those colours. Just, yeah, love. Let me know, out of all of these, which one is your favourite? Or whether you prefer the kind of last minute ditch attempt to use up some resin that I did in the last video. Yeah, let me know. Loving these still. Absolutely loving these so much. And I'm going to leave it there. So the next video I'm going to do for you guys, I'm going to do it tomorrow. And that is to keychain up the resin hearts that I made in yesterday's video. Because somebody asked if I would show the process of how I actually turn them into key rings. More than happy to do that. I'm going to do that tomorrow morning. Get that one out for you hopefully tomorrow night. That's Wednesday night or Thursday morning. And yeah, let me know what you think of this one, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you all so much for your support. Bye.